Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find keyboard shortcuts for any website or software that you are surfing on. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here, all you have to do is to just simply search for shortcutworld.com. You can see the right URL over there. If I pronounce it wrong, don't give any space in between. And now just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you're going to see popular shortcuts for Excel, Zoom, Windows, or you can search any of the website you are surfing. Now, for example, let's just search for Zoom and hit enter. And here you're going to see multiple options. I can get the Zoom shortcut for Mac or even the Windows. Let's just go to the Windows option, and here you're going to see all the shortcuts available or at the Zoom windows will be right in front of me. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.